Hello and welcome to your first look preview of this awesome home. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you would like to schedule a private tour. Discover this stunning corner lot home, offering space, style, and modern convenience. Enjoy a private backyard with low-maintenance vinyl fencing, a spacious concrete patio, and a 10 by 13 shed for extra storage. Step inside to gleaming hardwood floors and an open floor plan, perfect for gatherings. Upstairs you'll find a versatile flex room plus 4 generously sized bedrooms. The fully finished basement with a walk-up exit, kitchenette, full bath, and bedroom NTC makes an ideal in-law suite or guest retreat. Main level laundry with washer and dryer included. Enjoy peace of mind with recent upgrades including a newer HVAC system with smart auto dampers, newer refrigerator, dishwasher, sump pump with battery backup, and 2 EV charging out.